Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to rotate your page in Canva. Now let's begin. If you don't have Canva open, do open it. I have a project already open, so let's begin. On the menu bar next to File, you will see something like a magic switch. Simply click on it, then a new pop-up will open. Choose Resize, scroll down, and you will find something like Custom Size. Click on it. Now simply change the dimensions of height and width. For instance, my width is 100 and height 500. Now to rotate the canvas, I simply interchange their values. This is how you can rotate your design using Canva. Do remember, this is a Canva Pro feature, and to use it, you need to be subscribed to Canva Pro. Hope you guys liked this video and hope this video was informational for you. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.